guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix your email address if it is not available. So if you're trying to log into your Apple ID and it says that your email is unavailable, then all you need to do is just go ahead and check whether you have been using this email for a different Apple account or whether you're using this email for your family, sharing, and someone else is using that email. If that's the case, then that's probably why it says your email is unavailable, as you cannot use the same email for every Apple ID. So guys, that's all. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.